Alright, we need to look for some other stuff for Meshtastic. Let's go over. Where in the heck? Okay. Maybe one of these might be better. You need to accommodate for the new antenna on the 3.1. They're not the same. And I think we started printing this one. I think I downloaded this one. I'm not sure. So this is the way I would rather have it set up. So the antenna's on the top. You set the thing on its side here. Or even like to have it come out right out the top. I don't really care. But not out the end. So I do believe we have, I don't know what that, just different batteries maybe. Okay. Okay, so we'll wait for that. All right. So we got main body, top, bottom, main body, top, bottom. Not really sure why they print it that way, but we're gonna go ahead and print them. I'm pretty sure I've already printed one of them. Alright. Slice. 59 minutes. I need to pull this drive out of here. We'll save it. I wish I could get this thing to change this SS number, because it's it just doesn't make it really easy for me to tell what it is. Okay, so save it in documents, and then we need to pull up one. We don't know what one it is yet, so hold on. All right. So what is this? Gray. STPLA. We'll run with that. All right. 192.168.0.21. It's not gonna be the same one, I don't think. All right, let's get that entered in here. All right. Upload and print. Where did it save? Oh no. And now we just wait for it to do its thing. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna print that off, and hopefully we don't have any problems with that one. That printer's been pretty good lately. Alright, so apparently I should have preheated it first, but it's going to start doing its thing over there. So, we're going to do that one, and then I think maybe I'll try and get one of these other printers going too. So what other stuff can we print, guys? Is there other ham radio stuff we can print? I don't know. Let's go in here and just take a little look. If you guys have never been on Thingiverse or Printables, they're quite the website. That's a pretty cool looking dragon. AI generated. Imagine if you just tell AI, design me 3D protection rails for FT710. And it just did it, you know what I mean? Imagine that would be pretty cool. I typed in FT710, didn't really get much. Let's type in rails. Oh. The 891 ones, that's about it. Nobody's really released any for the 710 that I'm aware of, and I'm not going to make my own. It took forever to see if we can get these. The guy that was making those kept them pretty secretive for a while. See, we got 891, 991 stuff. 991 feet. 817. 817. 850-70. 710 rack ear. Okay. These are interesting. I'm not sure that I have any screws. This is going to probably block your SD card. Okay. These do appear to be rails for the 710. And then you put them together like that. I'm not sure I care for the design, but it might be interesting to print. I would rather print them all in one piece. Download them and see what they look like when we're done. I'd rather have them in one piece. And I still have a big printer. I got rid of most of them, but I still have the SV06 Plus, so I could print it on there. Now I would have to take those two pieces and I'd have to combine them, which is kind of a little bit tricky. It's not as simple as you would think it would be. You can put them up against each other in Cura, but they won't form one piece. So there's stuff we got here. I guess that's about it, really, probably. Some rails. 891 fan bracket. Well, they got this thing set up. They actually put that inside of the thing? Interesting. Holy ugliness. What in the frickin' hell? Dude. What is this monster? Oh my god. Guys, these are the ugliest rails I've ever seen. Holy crap. Man, oh man. Okay. I definitely wouldn't be doing those. I printed these here. They're really, really thin. They're not any good. I printed the 450 knob. It didn't really come out that good. I definitely think some rails would be nice though for the 710. Front foot support for FT450. That's kind of neat. Click on that. Oh. I don't have a 450, I have a 450D, so mine actually has a bail on it. What do we got here? There's definitely a lot of stuff on here. These are new. I haven't seen these before. Guard rails for 991A. Now, I'm not sure, but I think the 991 might actually have the screws in the same spot as the 710. Or the 710 might be the same as the 450. But I do know, oh, look at that. The handle, the carry handle is the same for a bunch of the radios. 450, 857D, I think 710. Somewhere I've got a brand new handle for the 710. They're not nice like the ICOM ones. They're funky. And they're not good. Let's put it that way. You can't really grab them easily. Alright, well, that's it for Yaesu stuff. Let's see. I think my printer is screwing up over here. Our filament broke. But what happened is it's stuck in the sensor. Alright, so it didn't work. Alright, we got it redone. Well, we got to restart. I'm going to go ahead and set my temperature for PLA. Then we got right here, we'll just go reprint. And it should just resend it. So basically, that's what happens when you're not paying attention. And yeah, I would have been watching it. That's why you should always watch it when you first start printing. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go pay attention to the printer. We'll catch you later.